Hello and welcome everyone. This is Lalima, and in this video we are going to solve Python mock test question which are multiple choice question. And one of my friend is preparing for IBPS SO IT Officer exam, and she is from computer science background, but she is not from a very core programmer side. So she asked me to solve this question, and I will try to solve this question as simple as possible, so that if any of you are also preparing for IBPS SO IT Officer exam, then this mock test would help you for your preparation as well. So without further ado, let's start it. Okay, so the first question is, what will be the output of the following code? Print bool 0, comma bool 3.14, comma bool empty string. So in Python, bool function is equivalent to the boolean function, which convert value into boolean value. So here boolean value is true or false. So the boolean value of 0 is false. Same way, the boolean value of non-zero value. Zero value is false, but if any value which is non-zero, then the boolean value is true. And the boolean value is empty string is equivalent to the 0. So that's why boolean of empty string is false. So the answer of this question is false, true, false. So the option number C is the right answer of this question. Next question is, what is the correct way to define a function in Python? So in Python, we define a function using def keyword. Def, then function name, any name you can pass as a function name, and then round bracket, and then semicolon. So the right answer is option number D. Def, function name, round bracket, and semicolon. Okay, next question is, which of the following is a mutable data type? Mutable means which we can change. So tuple we cannot change, integer we cannot change, string we cannot change, and we only can change the list. So the mutable data type is list. Next question is, what is the output of this code? So here we have one X, which is a list, and it has 1, 2, 3 elements. And we need to print this X from the first position of element till the end of the list. So here we are doing slicing. So whenever you see this kind of a structure where it has a square bracket and colon, so that means it's a slicing. So we are slicing this list, and whenever we slice it, it slices based on the position. So position start from the 0, then 1, then 2. So this slicing is starting from first position of element. So this is the element. So from 2 we need to start, and colon means we need to go at the end of the list. So 2, 3, and this is the end of the list. So our answer is 2, 3. Okay, next question is, which of the following is used to import a specific function from a module? So in Python, whenever we work with module, then we use a import keyword. So first of all, remove those options which doesn't have any import keyword. So option number C and D we remove. Why? Because we don't use include or using. Instead, we use the import keyword. Now we have only two options, A and B. Now if we see these two options, so math is our module and square root is our function. So we need to find that syntax which import a specific function from a module. So from a math module, we are importing a square root function. So option number B is the right answer. And option number A is not a right answer. Why? Because we don't use a dot notation while importing any module. So that's why option number A is wrong. Okay, next question is, what does length function return when applied to a string? So length function is a string operation, and using that we get the number of characters. So for example, we have Python, and if we apply a length function over that, so it will find the length of this string. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer of this length of function is 6. So length function return the number of character of a string. Next question is, what is the result of 3 star star 2 in Python? So in Python, star star means exponent. So here 3 star star 2 equivalent is 3 raised to power 2, which is 9. So answer is 9. Okay, next question is, what is the output of print python dot capitalize function? So in Python, here Python is string and capitalize is a function, and this capitalize function converts the first letter of a string into capital letter or upper letter. So remaining other letter would be small only. Only the first letter or first character become the upper or capital one. So here this is all small, this is all capital, so these are wrong, this is also wrong, and the option number B is the right answer because it converted first string small p into capital P, and remaining characters are as it is. So option number B is the right answer for question number 8. Okay, next question is which of the following is used to handle exception? So for any exception, we always use try and except. Okay, next question is what will this code print? For I in range of 2 comma 5 colon print I and equal to inside this string bracket space. Okay, so for is a loop. So for I in range. So in range function, we have a starting point and the ending point. But in ending point, it doesn't include the end one. So starting point is 2. So start from 2, then 3, then 4 and 5. But in range, we don't include the ending point. We only include till second last value. So for I in range of 2, 3, 4, print I. First it will run for 2. So 2, then space. Then next time it will run for 3, 3, then 4 and then space. So answer is 2, 3, 4. So option number B is answer for question number 10. Okay, next question is what is the default return value of a Python function that doesn't return anything? So by default return value is none. So option number B is the right answer of question number 11. Okay, next question is which operator used for floor division? So we already know that what is floor division. For example, you have one decimal value or float value. So after decimal, if your digit is greater than 5, then for the ceiling function, it will consider as the upper value, which is 3. And but for the floor value, it take the lower value. So floor division of this value is 2. So in Python, we use double slash operator as a floor division. Okay, next question is which of the following is not a valid Python keyword? So final is a keyword, import is a keyword, then is a keyword. So raise is the right answer. Why? Because raise is not a keyword. Next question is which of the following creates a dictionary? So using curly bracket, we initialize the empty dictionary. So the right answer is option number A. We use dict equal to empty curly bracket. And the last question of this mock test is what does the strip method do in string? So using strip method, we remove the space or white space. So answer of this question is option number B. So strip function remove the white space between a string. So this was the quick mock test for Python programming. Hope you liked it. And if you have any other question or any doubt, or if you want me to include more mock tests, then please write mock test in comment section. I'll try to include more and more questions related to Python and SQL. So all the best for your preparation. Please do comment and like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll see you next video. Till then, thank you and take care.